Okay, my friends, I'm going to have a short video here on how to blow out a condenser coil when it's really clogged up. So what I have here is this is a CO2 tank, and they use these to power paintball guns. So you can get these, they're readily available. You need a refrigeration hose, and you need something like this, which I made, and I'll show you how I made that. Okay, so basically what I did was I got a regular process port, took the Schrader valve out, put a 90-degree bend in it, and then I put an awl in there, and I crimped it to give us this little space here, which will build up the pressure and give you a stronger push. Okay, like I said, this tank comes apart, unscrews at your nozzle. You have your little button here, or actuator, you push that down, and then the CO2 comes out. And what I do here is, this has got a quarter flare on it. And I hook up my hose, and then I stick this piece in here, and now I have a means of blowing out the condenser. So when you push this down, this tank is empty. Let me get a full tank. Okay, so when you want to refill these tanks, you have to get one of these. It's a CO2 tank, but it's got a siphon on it, which means there's a rod that goes all the way down, I guess, I'm assuming, and brings liquid, because you want to fill this with liquid. You'll get more in here. Okay, so you screw this into this special adapter like so, and then you open up the valve, and that fills it up. And that's how you refill the tank. And these things can last a long time. So now let's go over to the bench and see what kind of pressure we get out of there, because these are good for blowing out not only condensers but drains too. I have another system I use just for drains. When you got something that's really stubborn, you need a little bit more force. Alright, so now we'll hook up our hose. You know, sometimes you'll get a condenser that's clogged with grease. They have a kitchen that doesn't have a vent, and then the grease gets sucked into the condenser, and you can't get it clean. In that case, we'll do a steam cleaning. But anyway, this is what we got. Woo! Lots of pressure. This is what we use to blow out condensers. All right, hope that was helpful. See you on the next one.